I used to speak with my Cambly tutors here, but now I feel a little shy, because my my best friend, he said beside me, and you want to listen to my conversation. So I got him.
Oh wow, is that Ernie? Is that super? I was not expecting that.
Yeah,
So he told you this. He told you this.
yeah. He can speak actually.
Can you have him speak for me, please?
Yeah. Hello, Greta.
Oh, hello, Ernie. How?
Okay, my name is Better. They call me here in Middle East Better. So
Oh,
I wonder what the English people call me.
I thought it was Ernie, but I might be wrong.
Oh, you call me Ernie? That's fantastic. I like that sound of name.
Then I'd like your sweater too. It's a very nice shirt you have on.
Wow, you like? Actually, this is my pajamas.
Then that's better. That's even better
Yeah.
for
Have you
everyone.
seen have you seen my episode when you are a child?
Probably at some point, but I might have blocked it out. I might have just deleted this from my memory. Um,
Oh,
this
shame. Why?
this
I
is a
am I am
shame.
I am like a part of your childhood.
You are. This is the thing. It's like a long lost friend. Don't cry. Don't
I'm
cry.
start crying. Why?
Don't cry.
Why?
It's okay. We can be best buds forever. I swear. We can just start now.
Wow, very
So,
impressive. Thank you.
how do you know my dear friend Ahmed?
Yeah, he's my best friend.
Uh,
Actually, yeah. He got me when he was a child.
oh wow. So you
Y-
go way back, way far back.
Yeah, this is from a long, long time when he was just being on himself.
It looks so interesting because your head fits Ahmed's like body very perfectly. So it looks like you're just kind of two in one, and you have the hair.
Yeah,
You have
yeah.
oh yeah. You want to play?
Handshaking,
You want to play rock paper scissors?
rock. I've never heard
Rock
about this game.
rock paper scissors. Oh, is this a? Oh, it's very questionable.